Welcome to IMG. My name is Manny Iglesias. Folks, let me paint you a picture. Gold has continued to establish new historical highs, one on top of the other. It's just endless. But what occurs is it will reach a moment, there will be a moment where the price is obviously so high that now for you to build a position and buy product with some degree of volume, it becomes very costly. So investors will look at the same metals complex and say, well, what's what's offering a better value? What can I buy that offers me more potential and I'm not getting in at such high prices? And then you open up a world of possibilities. Silver, dramatically undervalued in comparison to gold. Well, all metals are dramatically undervalued in comparison to gold. And you can buy such a significant amount of product whereby you would buy very little in regards to volume in the gold market. So when you start to do the math, you start to recognize that in an undervalued asset where you're able to obtain a very reasonable amount of volume for less capital invested, and you look at the math, you see the enormous potential that that product offers. The markets are continuing to focus on basically just outright headlines. The market has forgotten to look at the underlying fundamentals that are so attractive in the silver market, which is now running at a 5 year deficit in regards to the supply available in order to meet demand. Then I look at the complex again. And what else do I see? Even though most are continuing to focus strictly on gold, but I look at the marketplace, I look at the overall availability of undervalued assets within the complex, and I see platinum trading at very attractive levels in a market that is not getting much attention. And that's exactly when you should be looking at a market like that. That is significantly below some of the higher prices that we've seen in the past in that marketplace. Well, then, is there anything else available? And the answer is yes. I look at palladium. Palladium, a market that has actually traded in the past couple of years, traded in excess of $3,000 an ounce, trading below $1,000 today. These are wonderful opportunities when everybody is strictly focusing on what's occurred in the gold market. But what you need to recognize is to actually be able to enjoy what some investors have enjoyed recently in the gold market. You need to purchase an undervalued asset today and start building those positions at a very reasonable cost at the correct price point. I suggest that you contact IMG. We'd be glad to give you all the technical and fundamental information regarding these markets and these wonderful opportunities that are right there for you to continue to acquire and build at these prices, and then put yourself in a position to enjoy what we have seen in other metals within the same complex. Contact IMG. I wish you all the very best.